Evocative of sandcastles and beach softened edges, this project is a legacy home for the clients and their family to enjoy. We're north of Auckland in a place called Omaha Beach. We're really lucky we get to see the estuary and experience the early morning light coming in over the beach as well.
In order to fit in a large brief on a relatively small site, we've essentially picked up a 2-story sandcastle and then started to sculpt spaces out of it to try and engage with the site.
We've worked really hard to have a unified appearance to the project, a sculptural intent. And what's really nice about that is it's actually resonated through the whole house. So through the kitchen island, we've got these softened edges as well. And it happens in the handrail, where the handrail gives you a little cuddle, and these certain other parts in the building hold you. Coming from the street, you met with a very vertical kind of element. It gives a certain presence to the street, but once you are invited inside, you experience this element of height, of volume. As we progress through, we're compressed and then we're welcomed out into the horizontal space.
The main living area of the house is primarily an open plan space that focuses on the western aspect of the estuary, but also opens out onto a series of courtyards.
Providing a level of protection from the sun, but also a way to kind of hide away from the wind.
Which is a really amazing place to be outside throughout the day. The palette of this house is all very much site-inspired. They're soft sandy bricks, the travertine, the whitewashed oak and the weathered timber all complement each other but also speak to the site really nicely.
In New Zealand, we're fortunate to have so many beautiful coastal environments, and with that, architects have a great responsibility to provide architecture that is within its context, of its time and timeless. And we feel with Sandtrap that we've done just that.